everyone, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is your girl Lucy. Thank you to my OGs for coming back again, and thank you for all new subscribers for stopping by at my channel. Right, so if you have been struggling to lose that excess stubborn fat, so then you have come to the right place, because today's recipe I'm going to share with you one simple drink. It's very simple, easy to make, and if you drink this twice a day, I promise you, because I have tried it myself and I've seen results, and that's why I'm sharing with you. So, and you will, you shed that excess belly fat or excess fat in no time, and it's simple and straightforward to make.
And you know how to forget all the wrongs and every reason why we've changed. And there's a storm inside my head, it's getting me in trouble, baby, and I can't break away. I thought that I could keep it low, take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy, take it easy. I thought that I could keep it low, take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like before, so take it easy. I was so sure of our love, I never thought of any reason, a doubt about us, and now I'm right back at the start. Halfway through a bottle, baby, and nothing to know. I thought that I could keep it low, take it easy, take it slow. We ended up just like